Hello viewers, welcome to Zeegoals. Today my topic is applying bullets and numbering. If you want to write a matter in points in your document, so go to the ribbon and click on bullets. When we click on it, bullets will be inserted in our document. Now type something here and press enter, and you can see when we press enter the bullets will be inserted automatically. And if you want to change bullet style, so click on this drop down menu, and here you will find different styles of bullets. Click whatever you want in it, and then notice that the bullet styles are changed. And if you want to number styles instead bullets, so click on numbering, and see that the points we wrote now have numbers ahead of them. And click on the numbers if you want to them in different styles. Click on this drop down menu and select the style which you want. And click on it. So it was today's topic. If you wanna learn, so keep watching my videos. Thank you.